Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing another Sephora box. I know I'm a little bit farther away from the camera than I usually am, but that's because I don't have a pop socket on the back of my phone anymore, so I can't stand my phone up. Because it used to sit, my pop socket used to sit like right in here, and it literally just popped right off. And now I can't get it to go back on. I mean, the sticky part was on it. Like, it was like a different kind of pop socket. I need to fix this. Like, I can't. That's a little better because there was like this big gap between me here and here. But anyways, I have another Sephora package. This time, I only got one thing. And it is something similar to something that I got a few days ago in the mail. So a few days ago, I did the full face of makeup using shophush.com makeup, and some of the things were a hit, some of the things were a miss. Like one of this. This was a bit of a miss when I tried it, but then I did it again. And you're supposed to like rub it off, and it's supposed to leave like a purpley like tint. Who knew? Okay, so let's dive right into this. Grab my scissors. I do have another package coming from Morphe. It was supposed to get here on Thursday, but it says it's supposed to get here now on Saturday, which is like the weirdest thing. So, I want to cut on with it. Okay. Open. Okay, so I got a couple of things. One thing that I am like super excited to try in this thing right here. So the big thing that I got, I swear it doesn't. Okay, so the biggest thing that I got in this package today is the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I'm so excited to try this. I've been needing a new contour palette, so I really wanted to try this one now because I've heard such great reviews on it, and like, almost every beauty YouTuber uses it. So I thought I'd give it my go and try it. Now I will be doing a separate video trying this out. So this is just the unboxing of what I got and everything. So this was about $49. After tax, it went to $51, and I did get free shipping on it because I did the $10 free 2-day shipping. So for this entire year, up until next year, I will be getting free shipping on all my orders for only $10, like for one payment. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing that I got, or it's like a sample size, few sample size stuff. I got the Yves Saint Laurent Magic Wand. It's like a brightening pen, I think. It's like a little brightening pen, so I got each color. So I got number 1, which is the lightest one, number 2, which is another light one, and then number 4.5, which is a medium one. I didn't get any of the dark ones, which is weird. So it's supposed to be like brightening pens. So I got this. I'll be trying that in a different video. I also got the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. I can't speak French, so I'm sorry if I butcher this. But I got the perfume. How do I open this? Oh, just tear it open, I guess. Maybe. But it's a little perfume. I love getting these, especially the ones with little pump on them. So the next thing is I got for my, those two were the samples. This is another sample. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in, or does it come with the, is it just one little thing? What is this? Oh, wait, what? that's what that is. I'm gonna like try it out in a video, so alright. And so the next thing, I got this actually in like a promotion. I can get like a free gift, like a free sample size of a gift or something. So I chose the Bare Minerals Bare Pro 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I don't think I reviewed this one. That's what it is. And I got it in the color. Which shade did I get? So here's all the shades that they have at the bottom. So on the one that I got, let's get this out. It's a little, oh my god, it's so cute. It's a tiny little baby bottle. I got it in golden ivory. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, policeman. There's that. So that's all that I got. I know this video is a little bit short, but on Saturday I will be doing a review with the Morphe brushes that I got. So I might give the rest of these to my sister. If I love those brushes, I can just use, because I got one brush for each part of my face, or all the brushes that Laura Lee uses and everything. So I think it'll cover all my face, because I got a brush for each thing except for eyebrows, because I use an eyebrow pencil. So with that said, I know this video is a little bit short, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my unboxing so that way you guys know what videos will be coming up. I thought that'd be a good idea. And I'm sorry it took so long for the part 1 of my Hush makeup review and full face of to go up. Like part 2 went up really fast because it was 15 minutes. But the reason why part 1 didn't go up as quickly is because it was 39 minutes, and it literally was like 39 minutes exact, and it like cut off like right at there. Like I didn't touch anything, it just cut right off. It was the strangest thing ever. So that took like a day and a half, almost 2 days just to upload. This is why I need a camera. But I have no money, so because I spend it all on this. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below telling me if you guys did. Also, please be sure to leave me any comments of, please be sure to leave me any products that you guys want me to try out down in the comments. Also, along with any video ideas and just ideas basically, or any products. Because I'm really open to trying new stuff that's not expensive. Not like Sephora, high-end like that. But I do love, obviously, because I almost have a full face of Sephora products. Okay. With that said as well, don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you guys get updated when I upload a new video or do a live stream. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.